Hello, today I want to show you 5 ways to change expressions. You decide what best fits your needs. Expressions, among other things, are used to define parameters in features. Okay, let's begin. The first method. By double-clicking at the feature that you want to edit in the Part Navigator, let's say you want to change the boss diameter. Double click on it and it brings you to the parameters. So let's say you want to change the boss to 30 millimeters. Okay, and it updates. Second method is by going to the expressions menu. So if you want to edit a dimension from a feature, you select the feature that you want to edit and the parameters pop up. So let's change that back to 25. So the feature gets updated. Third method is by using the spreadsheet. So now we go to add-ins. In order to be able to edit the expression, we need to extract the expression from the model. So after we populate the spreadsheet, we can edit the boss diameter. So let's change that back to 30. In order for this to take effect, we need to update the NX part. Now we can close the spreadsheet. We can either save or discard those changes. But the model is not going to go back to the previous 25 millimeters. Method number 4. We can use the detail window to edit the dimensions of a feature. So we expand the detail window. Now we select the boss. Now we see the parameters window. All we need to do is select the expression we want to edit. And then let's change that back to 25. Method number 5. Select the feature that you want to edit, put your mouse right on top of it, and click the second mouse button. You will see Show Dimensions. Select that. And now the dimensions pop up on the graphics window. You can double click on this dimension to be able to edit. Now let's change that back to 25. That's OK. And the feature was edited. To remove the dimensions from the display window, refresh the screen. And that's it. Those are the 5 ways you can edit expressions. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.